Hello guys, today's video is about a 2000 and making a spare key for a 2011 Renault Kangoo. It's a Kangoo 2. I have cut the key already, and this is the original key for the car. There's two issues with this car that I'm not sure if I can program the key for the car, but I would like to let you know. Basically, one is on Renaults, when you try to program a key, the machine always asks you to put the hazard lights on. This car doesn't have a hazard lights. I think that's because they changed the stereo on this car, and it's been removed. The unit, it has been removed, so that's the reason this car doesn't have a hazard lights. And another thing is, this key originally has a 2-button key, and the key I'll be using is a 3-button key. I have checked, it's the same remote, and it's the same chip inside. It's just the only thing different is some of these Renault Kangoos has the function for the boot, basically rear door, central locking. Some of them don't, so I'll be using the 3-button key. Okay, let's start. And by the way, we're going to be using the obdstar for this car. Imo, Europe. We go to Renault, enter. Program key, Kangoo, 2008 onwards. Okay, this function is available by connection to the server. Please ensure the internet connection is normal. Yes, I have internet. Enter. Turn on the warning and turn off the ignition. Okay, the ignition is off, so what I'm gonna do is, instead of the warning hazard lights, and I'm just gonna turn on the lights. Hopefully that does the trick. Communication, program keys, remove the key, enter, insert the key, turn the ignition on. The ignition is on. Just put the indicator on as well, just in case. Program success. Whether to program next one, yes. Insert the next key to program and turn on the ignition. The ignition is on. Enter. Program success. Whether to program the next one, no. Switch ignition off. Enter. Switch ignition on. Enter. Program end. Enter. Okay, let's see. Take the key out, put the key back in. Yes, the car starts. That's the good news. The second good news should be, let's see if the central locking works. Yes, locks, unlocks. And another thing is, let's close the door. Lock, unlock, and boot lock. Basically, this is the good news, that this 3-button key worked on the original 2-button key. This one came originally with 2-button remote, and I programmed the 3-button remote, and it does work, and it does work on the boot as well. So we locked the car, locked, boots only, and the boot is open. That's the good news. And one more thing that I wanted to say before I go is, I usually use uprights, AVDI, on Renault cars. the on the newer models like Megane, Clio, and new Modis and Smart. But this car, Renault Kangoo, it's got old system, and it's very easy to use this obdstar, and it's just, as you see, it doesn't even take 2 minutes to program a key. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Thank you very much. Bye.